What happens when you just wait? There's nothing you can do. You watch. And all you see is what goes on that is happening of itself. And our fundamental self is not something just inside the skin. It's everything around us with which we connect. You're breathing, the wind is blowing, the trees are waving, your blood is circulating, your nerves are tingling. It's all going on of itself. But you know, that's you. That's the real you. The you that goes on of itself. When you look out of your eyes at nature happening out there, you're looking at you.